Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Formosa Fantasy, and today I already did my face, but I'll be giving you a eyeshadow look, a fall eyeshadow look using the Fantasy palette. This is a James Charles dupe. It looks exactly the same and everything, so yeah.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a catch tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up.
Jumping straight into it, I'm taking this shade right here and I'm putting it in my transition area. I am really sick. It's my birthday yesterday and I did not enjoy it, but it is what it is. I live to see another year, and yeah, going back in with these two shadows, and I'm putting this in my crease area to darken it and stuff like that. So when I was filming this, I was talking to a friend, so yeah, so you're gonna be seeing that. So I'm doing what I did to the first eye to the second eye, and yeah, this flu is killing me. I have a headache, I vomited, listen, I'm just trying to make the most of it. I can't wait to get over it. Going in with the P. Louise base, cutting my crease, filling it in, taking off the excess with that brush, and then I'm gonna go in with that dark brown again and put it in to close off the outer part of it with a fluffy brush. And then I'm going to be taking those two shades right there. I'm going to put it in the center of it. Yeah, this was a flat brush, and then you gotta go in back and forth with the colors. So I'm taking those two colors right there, and I'm going in my inner corner, inner part, inner third. Listen, I'm sick. I cannot remember these terms right now. So we gotta go back in, making sure that the blend is good. Now I'm taking a brown gel liner, and I'm gonna be creating a wing with this. I never wanted to use black because I never wanted it to be dark, right? So rainbow cake thing, it's not new to my channel, and I'm just taking the orange out of it and I'm putting it right there, and I'm gonna clean it up. Now going back in with that brown shadow, and I'm putting it on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to be using the orange again. Make sure it's dried down before you put it on your waterline, because you don't want to get into your eye. Now I'm just doing a little something right here.
Okay, so I finished everything off camera. My lips already, this just neutral brown pencil concealer in the middle, top it off with some gloss, and that's it. For my inner color highlight, I mixed this color and the white. So these two that I mixed, this is shimmer, this is matte. So I mixed those two to do my inner corner highlight, because I never wanted to do too much. What else? My lashes are from Amazon. It came in like a pack, like about 6 different flares. What else? Oh, my lower lash line, I just did whatever I did on the top with the dark brown. And so thank you so much for staying tuned to the end. I hope you guys really enjoy this little fall type makeup look that I did for you. And like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my socials, and until next time. Bye, beauties.